Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I have two boxes. One is from Angelic Bakery and the other one is from Thrive Market. We're gonna get them both unboxed in this video. First, I wanna tell you a little bit why I did this. I've gotten bread from Angelic Bakehouse. I started getting it from them during the lockdowns. I was looking for bread that could be delivered. This is sprouted. It is not organic, but it's sprouted. My stomach seems to do much better with sprouted bread than with typical conventional bread. It also does okay with organic bread. If you've watched me, you know that. I haven't gotten it from them for a while because Misfits had it and Imperfect had it, and I was able to get it from them or get something similar to it from them. I just went to place an order with Thrive because I needed a new alkaline water pitcher. They don't make the filters for the one I have, so I had to get a new one. Don't you love that? When something gets discontinued and you have like the expensive part of it and the refills you can't get anymore? Love it. I had to get that from Thrive. They had bread. I would have had to put like $95 into a cold pack. I didn't really want to do that just to get a couple loaves of bread. Instead, I put that money into Angelic and I placed an order directly with them because I actually have room in my freezer. We've eaten enough of the meat that we get from the butcher box, Good Chop and Seven Sons. We've eaten enough of it. There is room to put bread in my freezer. That doesn't happen very often. So I was able to get a good amount. And I wanted to show you guys this. If you're interested in either of these companies, there's a link in the description down below. I'm not sure if Angelic has a discount. I'm gonna check, hold on. Angelic, at least at this time, doesn't have a referral system. Now with the Thrive Market link, you're gonna get 40% off your order. So definitely use that link. Let's start with the Angelic Bakehouse box first. I have a small kitchen. There we go. That sort of worked. Right on top, they have a card that tells you how long it's good for. Well, it says it's good for 14 days from the ship date. So see that little ship date at the bottom? But I freeze it, so I don't really run into an issue. I'll tell you how much all this costs too. We have burger buns. These are amazing burger buns. They are so good. And I freeze them for like up to a year, honestly. We have 4 of the burger buns. I made bratwurst the other day and realized we didn't have any more hot dog rolls. Hot dog buns. And this is also 4. It smells so good. This company was a lifesaver for me when I found them during the pandemic. Well, we're still during the pandemic, but you know what I mean, when the pandemic was new. And then we've got some rye bread. I got 2 loaves of this. This is really good. Oh, it smells so good. It actually looks sort of like pumpernickel, but it's rye. And then they have the take and bake bread. These are the demi baguettes, similar to what we get from the Essential Baking Company. I thought I would give these a try. It's not shelf stable like that is, but, and then I have 2 of their pizza crusts. My total was $80.87. Shipping was included, so shipping was free. That's nice. All right, so we have that box out of the way. And now we have the Thrive Market box. This is an awkward box. The shape of this box reminds me of when my mom owns a flower shop, so when I worked there, we would get roses in boxes like this, just stacked on top of each other. It's not as easy to cut as a Misfits box. I'm knocking over stuff. Okay. Here it is. This is what I needed. A new water pitcher. Yes. My old one is kind of falling apart, but also I can't get the cartridges. So This is amazing. Actually, while I'm doing this, I'm gonna start to soak the filter. Because you know, you have to soak the filter for like 15 minutes or something. I think my old one was bigger, or at least it looked bigger. Maybe it wasn't, it just looked that way. And that's kind of interesting. There's no directions. I know what to do, but usually stuff like that comes with instructions, doesn't it? You would think. So that's soaking. I have no place to put anything right now. Wow, this should be interesting. I got this stuff because every spring we have an ant problem. So I thought I'd give this a try instead of the chemical stuff. We'll see if it works. It's supposed to be plant-based. We'll see. I'll let you know. And then I got some gluten-free pasta. I got 2 of these. Casarici. I don't know. I don't think I'm saying that right. I'm Italian. I just don't know how to pronounce it. Wow, I'm a bad Italian, aren't I? Am I saying that right? Leave me a comment. Let me know. Organic brown rice, gluten-free pasta. Got some gluten-free tagliatelle. And this is also organic brown rice pasta. And we've got 2 of those. Some of these you had to get 2 of. And some of them I just ordered 2 because I don't like to place orders all the time. I kind of like to get 1 order and get everything all at once. So, Thrive Market organic ketchup. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't have a big enough kitchen. We really wanted to move. But the prices of things are so sky high. So we're still in our apartment with the tiny kitchen. Doing the best you can. That's all you can do. Some salsa. And this is the Thrive Market Chipotle salsa. It is so good. Yummy. I think this is another one. They do a really good job wrapping things. Yep. This is another one of those. Oh, it leaked a little bit. I'm gonna have to tell them. And they're pretty good. I'm sure if I tell them, they'll replace it or give me a credit. And then I got some of this stuff. This is really good, and it says tastes like homemade, and I have to tell you, it really does. This is amazing with bolognese sauce. Love it. And I got some of these plant-based straws because, you know, I try to use the reusable straws, but I don't like them. I like to chew my straw, and I forget it's a reusable straw, and I'm chewing, and it hurts. Before I break a tooth, I'm gonna keep using those. Fennel seeds. For a while, these were really hard to get, but now I'm able to get them no problem. I love this stuff. I don't think I've ever placed a Thrive Market order without getting the giant ingot corn. It is so good. Better for you. I mean, it's not great for you, but it's better for you than corn chips. Fritos. I mean, I love Fritos, but I can't eat those anymore. Holiday Spice cashews. These were a freebie, I think. And we have 2 filters, extra filters for the pitcher. Got some wild rice blend. This is good. I love this. And some jasmine rice, organic jasmine rice. And then packets of stuff. We got some lemongrass basil simmer sauce, and I've had this a couple times before. We really like this. And then we've got lots of fajita and taco seasoning, the Thrive Market brand. I have no room on the counter, so I'm gonna take this down. And then I donated $7.79. So my total was $132.37. Tax was $3.93. The donation was $7.79, so my total was $144.09. I think, honestly, for all this stuff, that's a pretty good deal. What do you think? I mean, some of this stuff is hard to come by at your local store, so it's nice that there's an alternative and a place to get it from. And I gotta be honest that during all the closures and the shutdowns 2 years ago when we first started the whole pandemic thing, Thrive was a lifesaver, and I've continued to get them ever since. If you'd like to give Thrive Market a try, remember there's a link in the description down below, and if you use that link, you can save 40% off your order. That's one heck of a deal. Go down in the description and use that link. And also, Angelic Bakehouse, I don't have a coupon for you, but it's amazing bread and you should give that a try too. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with somebody else that wants to save money on their organic groceries. Just post it to your social media too. I post videos every week. At least one of them is an unboxing. So if you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe and ring that bell so that you never miss a video. This is Aimée. Happy organic eating. I will see you real soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.